Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including the app and the plans I recommend, are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the Fitplan app. Fitplan, the fitness app review, and my usage experience. Fitplan is a personal training app designed for anyone seeking guided workouts. Whether you're a beginner just starting your fitness journey or a seasoned athlete looking to elevate your training, Fitplan has something to offer. The app distinguishes itself with a vast library of workout plans developed by elite trainers and fitness influencers such as Michelle Lewin, Chris Hemsworth, and Jeff Seid. These programs cater to a diverse range of fitness objectives, from muscle building and weight loss to endurance training and overall wellness. A key feature of Fitplan is its structured, follow-along program design. Once you've chosen a plan aligned with your goals, you gain access to detailed video instructions for each exercise. These videos demonstrate proper form, tempo, and technique, ensuring you're exercising safely and effectively. Workouts are pre-scheduled, eliminating the need to plan your routine and reducing the chance of skipping a session. Fitplan also incorporates built-in progress tracking. You can log weights, representatives, and completed workouts to monitor your progress and witness tangible improvements over time. This feature is incredibly motivating and helps you stay accountable to your fitness goals. The app boasts a clean and user-friendly interface. You can easily filter plans by goal, experience level, equipment availability, and the time you have to commit. Fitplan also offers flexibility, allowing you to switch plans or modify the workout schedule as needed, perfect for accommodating life's unpredictable demands. Furthermore, Fitplan integrates with popular health trackers like Apple Health and Fitbit, streamlining your overall activity monitoring. So, who is Fitplan for? It's ideal for individuals who desire the guidance of a personal trainer without the associated high cost. Whether you prefer working out at the gym or in the comfort of your home, Fitplan offers a plan tailored to your needs. However, it might not be the best fit for those who prefer completely unstructured or freestyle workouts. In my experience, Fitplan provides exceptional value. It offers professionally designed workout plans that are easy to follow and demonstrably effective. The app's structured approach, combined with its comprehensive exercise library and progress tracking features, makes it a powerful tool for achieving your fitness ambitions. If you're serious about reaching your fitness goals, Fitplan is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check out the links in the description below, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on Fitplan in the comments section. Thanks for watching.